Today we're going to be making a taco salad for 30 people. But wait, doesn't matter if you're only making it for 2 people, it's super easy to scale down. This recipe is a breeze to put together. Subscribe for more kitchen inspiration and be sure to hit the like button. Into a pot, we're going to add our hamburger meat and brown and cook it till all the liquid has been cooked out. As our hamburger meat is cooking, break it up into smallish pieces. Then season it with salt and garlic powder. Mix the seasoning into the hamburger by giving it a good mix.
The rest of the ingredients that we will be needing for the chili mixture is very simple. Ranch style beans. I like the flavor of this with my taco salad more than just buying pinto beans. You can buy the pinto beans. I bought some today to mix in with the ranch beans, and because this is a little bit cheaper, I actually prefer the taste of this with my chili. This is not a traditional chili, but it is a quick way and it is really good on a taco salad. This is a great meal for when you're wondering, what am I going to cook? I would have a short time to prepare for a lot of people, or I just don't feel like cooking. This can be a go-to meal for you. In the meantime, I've got all these cans to open up. This was an impromptu party that we're having tonight. We're having about 22 people, and we're having a bonfire and also serving this taco salad. Do you have a go-to meal that you like when you are in a rush? Let me know in the comments below.
Phew, that was a lot of cans to open. Combine all the beans and meat together in your large pot.
Uh-oh. This has sliced jalapeno peppers. I did not see that, but I'm looking around at the other cans and they do not. Ooh, some of them do, some of them don't. I'm hoping, oh dear. It looks like about half and half. I'm hoping it's not too hot.
Next are tomatoes. Tomatoes are totally optional since you are having salsa, but if you do decide to have them, chop them and place in a serving bowl and figure on about a half tablespoon chopped tomato per person. Chop some onion and place in a pretty serving bowl. Then of course we need some lettuce. Wash and dry your lettuce before cutting it very thin.
Okay, for my serving platter, I'm going to use this tray. It's not food grade, so I have spread plastic down on it, saran wrap. Then next, I'm going to put this piece of parchment paper over it. So now we have our tray. It's ready to go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my sides and put them on here. Mound my lettuce in the middle. We're going to set up outside by the campfire, so that's going to be our next thing we'll do, is we'll go set it up and I'll show you how I did it.
I didn't get any video of the setup, but you can see I put my Frito bags in a bucket. My napkins and forks were in a silverware caddy. I left my beans and meat mixture in the pot I cooked them in. Placed my homemade fresh salsa in a bowl, which by the way, I'll be posting a video soon on how to make that salsa. And finally, I placed my tray with all the sides on my serving cart. This was such an easy setup, but I loved how it looked. Simple to put together, but attractive. To assemble your taco salad, first place a layer of Frito chips, followed by your bean mixture, cheese, lettuce, onion and tomato, salsa, and sour cream. And let's eat. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up as it really helps us out when you do. Appreciate it.